In this video, I will demonstrate exactly how you can build hundreds of high-quality one-way links, eliminate the effects of the Panda update and restore your top rankings, generate targeted, high-quality traffic, and you can do all this with our unique software called RankLeap. RankLeap was created by the same guys who created some of the hottest marketing software on the market, like Rank Builder, Authority Link Network, Mass Link Poster, and Plig Submitter. And now we bring you the only link building tool that you'll need in 2012. RankLeap is the only automated link building solution specifically designed to overcome the Google Panda update. Now, if you're new to internet marketing and don't know what the Panda update is, don't worry. All you need to know is that RankLeap solves the #1 problem that internet marketers have. And that problem is, of course, lack of traffic. So while others worry about this problem, you won't have to, because with RankLeap, everything changes. And today, I'll be demonstrating how this powerful software works, and you'll see how I'm going to build backlinks on some of the most popular sites on the web in just a few minutes. So after I start the software, a help window will appear, and this help window contains all the information you'll need in order to get RankLeap ready to work. So as you can see over here, you'll need to enable active scripting, programmatic clipboard access, and scripting of Java applets in Internet Explorer in order to make RankLeap work properly. And as we scroll down, you'll see exactly how to enable all of these things in Internet Explorer. You're also going to see more instructions on what to do in case CAPTCHA does appear, what to do if you get a low success rate, what to do if you get an error when performing email verification, and so on. I'm not going to go through these possible issues right now, as you can just follow these steps when you open the program, so there's no need for me to discuss this in detail. Okay, so if you don't want to see this window anymore, you can just uncheck Show this window on Program Start, and then click OK. So now that the program is running, I'm going to go through all of these options to make sure you understand exactly how it works. So first we'll cover the settings real quick. So right now, I'm going to explain everything in detail, because when you get the software, you'll also get a user guide that explains exactly how to set up all these settings. So over here on the right, you'll see CAPTCHA service, and then you'll deCAPTCHA and death by CAPTCHA, and also manual. These two services are meant for automating your CAPTCHA, and what I mean by this is that if you purchase credits from these services, their staff will automatically solve CAPTCHAs for you, so you won't have to do it manually. However, if you don't want to use these services, then you're more than welcome to do it manually. For this demo video, I'm going to select manual. Before we move on, I just want to mention that death by CAPTCHA can sometimes perform really slowly, so I recommend getting deCAPTCHA, as it's much faster. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and just show you how to go about getting backlinks from powerful and high PR sites. The first step is to configure your email. So I'll click this, and then from this list over here, I can choose to create a custom email, a disposable email, or I can get an email account with Gmail, Yahoo, or Hotmail. What I recommend doing is going for a disposable email, as it's the fastest way to get it created and easiest way to verify your emails. So I'll choose disposable email. And over here, you'll have a text box for your username and your password. But if you choose disposable email, then you can just leave it blank, or just leave what's already in there, because the software is going to populate new usernames and passwords each time it registers to a new website. So just leave it as is and don't worry about it. Okay, now the second step is register website. But before I click the register website button, I need to go back to RankLeap and choose a couple of sites from this list. So if I scroll down, you'll see that we have a huge list of websites, over 230 high PR websites, and even more websites will be added very soon. So you have a list of over 300 websites. The reason why there are 230 websites now and not 300 plus is that this version of the software is not the final version. But don't worry, because as soon as we update the software, you'll be able to get access to the latest version. So if you want, you can select all websites and submit to all of them. But since this is a demo video and I want to keep it short, I'll go ahead and select just a few sites from this list that you can see how well the software actually works. But before we register to all these sites, we need to fix two more things. We need to adjust the Bio About Me box. So over here, you can just write a sentence, and you can add these brackets if you want to spin the sentence. If you're not sure what spin the sentence means, then watch this. I'll click the preview button once, and this is the sentence that we get. I'll just quickly open a text file and copy and paste the sentence into it, and then I'll click the preview button one more time. And as you can see, the sentence is now different from the first one, and this is because when you put words into brackets and then put these vertical pipes between them, RankLeap randomly selects a word from the bracket, so the sentence is going to be different every time. So that's how spinning works. At the end of the sentence, you'll notice hashtag, link, hashtag. And what this does is it chooses a link from the box below. So if you enter two different links into website URL and anchor, one of them will be chosen randomly. And over here, you'll see brackets and vertical pipes just like above, and you can change these words to mix up the keywords that your link is going to be built for. This helps to randomize things so that it all looks natural to Google. Okay, so now that I've selected a couple of websites and wrote a message in the About Me box and placed a couple of links in the website URL and anchor box, I'm ready to click Register Website. So I'll do just that. So it's going to take a few seconds for the window to open, and once it opens, the software automatically goes to work. And if you're not using an automated captcha service, then some sites might request a captcha code to be entered. So you'll want to keep a close eye over these sites in case some of them are requesting captcha. Sometimes it might happen that a site requires you to enter the captcha code more than once, and this usually happens because you entered the code wrong the first time. So it's nothing to be worried about. Just re-enter it until you get it right. So let's wait a minute here until everything is done. So I'll just keep an eye over the software in case captchas are required. Okay, so now this is done. I'll go ahead and click OK, and registration is complete. So I just want to mention one more thing. In case some of these sites return an error or the registration isn't successful for some reason, you can always try again by clicking the Retry button. And in some very rare cases, it might happen that the registration is unsuccessful and it just won't complete, even after trying a few times. That might happen because the website recently made a change in their registration process, and our software hasn't updated those changes just yet. But don't worry, we're constantly working on improving everything about the software, and we're checking for possible issues with registration and submission all the time. So rest assured that we'll fix these issues quickly. Okay, so now let's move to the third step, which is email verification. Before I click this button, I just want to mention that these sites over here need to remain checked in order for the email verification to go through. So if I were to uncheck this site, then it wouldn't verify the account, and I wouldn't be able to successfully complete the submission. And of course, I won't get a backlink. So let's do this now. It's going to take a few seconds for this to finish, so let's wait until it's done. It's also good to know that some sites don't require account verification, so don't be confused if you don't see some of the sites that you selected being verified. Okay, so now that it's done, we're ready for the final step, which is submission. So let's click Submit. The software is going to go and submit your links to all the sites, and in just a few minutes, the process will be done. Okay, so now this is done, and we can check to see the pages where our links are located. So I'm going to close this window and reopen the Links tab over here, and here the list of pages where your links are located are going to be listed. So I'll just pick one randomly and open the page so that you can see that your link is actually indexed on this page. And here's your link. This is how your links will appear. Now, in some cases, the link can appear along with your About Me message, and in other cases, it can just appear as your home page without the About Me message. But either way is fine for us because what we want is a variety of links. For SEO, it's more valuable if we have anchor text links with our main keyword, but raw URLs are fine as well, as we give Google a variety of links so it doesn't look suspicious. Okay, so that's how you go about building backlinks with RankLeap Pro. As you can see, our software is very powerful, very quick, and extremely effective. I hope you enjoyed this demo video, and I hope to see you as a customer of RankLeap. Thanks for watching.